guys, Pigeon in Pattaya. This is soy watermelon, they call it. Always floods down here when it rains. They built this little ramp here to stop that. And soy bukao just here. I thought we'll take a look along here. Great little barbecues there too. Look at that. New German bistro and the Witherspoons. It's Tuesday, the 4th of January. It's a bit of bad news for Thailand. The cases are going up, which is unfortunate, but was to be expected. More people are coming back. Well, let's have a look up here. The test and go program for the 1-day quarantine is now till the end of January. Sawadee Cup. So that's no good. And a Thai lady friend of mine just said she's gone to the quarantine hospital because she's got COVID. There's still quite a lot of people around. They said the temperature today now is 28 degrees. It feels like about 20 degrees. Even I've got a jacket on. Or maybe I've been living in Thailand too long. This is Soy New Plaza. Some call it Soy Cheap Charlie. Lock and load, and the crew bar, they're not open. You can see the Hilton there in the distance. But places are opening up. Good little hotel there too, NP residence. And one of the secret little bars that most people don't know about, Pui Bar on the corner here. You go upstairs. The Pui Bar. And they go up those stairs, are closed at the moment. The secret spot up there. But some of these bars are opening up. I thought we'd take a look down Soy 7, see what's actually happening down there. A traffic jam. The old Mickey's bar, drank there many a time. Can't play pool for some reason at the moment. Although the pool halls are open, Mega Break and the other places, they're all open. For you guys that like wine, there's the wine bar there. Looks like they're closed. But still a bit of traffic around. See if we can get through here. And we'll go have a look at Soy 7. So yeah, the COVID cases are up a bit. Everywhere's getting tested. You're supposed to have a test everywhere you go now, pretty much. Remember that 7-Eleven there on the corner? They've pulled out. Now, good little shop there. Look, Nord Barbecue. Here's Nick's A7 bar. Few people in there. Have a look at this. What have we got? Another test centre here. We're all queuing up to get tested. Look at that. It's COVID everywhere. Let's see, look at that. They're getting serious now. Nice little coffee shop. So yeah, everywhere we go now, everybody's getting tested. Ah, look at these places. Finally, they've got some lights on. There's no one in there, but at least it's a start. That's about it for Soy 7, I'd say. Because down here, he's looking pretty sad. It's a nice chopper. Look at these places. Happiness Star Bar. Used to love that place. It's a bit of a mess down here. So yeah, if you guys want to come back to Thailand right now, and after the 10th of January you have to do the the 7-day quarantine Phuket, which sucks. A few people in there. All the fancy lights up there. Show you that another day in the restaurant. All looking good. Let's have a look at the exchange rates while we're here. Joe can show you that. Look at that. Aussie dollar down 23.75. England 44.63. Euro 37.35. I think the Thai money must have gone up for some reason. It's crazy. Let's go for a squeeze along here a bit. Oh, Lisa on the beach, they're closed. If any of the staff get tested positive, they seem to close the place for 3 days, spray everything, clean everything, and then they're back open again. But these places are fairly busy. Yeah, they're all going off. And central shopping, always busy in there. All the lights are on. It's a great shopping centre and the Hilton. I'll give you a look on the beach here. If I can get a park. The Hilton Hotel. There's a bit of a breeze now. It's just feeling a bit cool. But plenty of people about. As you can see, the sun's going down. People flying the kites. That's Pattaya Beach. Let's hope things get better. This COVID situation's hanging around too long. We all want to get our lives back in order again. That's just a quick look from P. Joe. A bit cool on the boats tonight. That's Pattaya City. Stay safe, everybody. Uru from P. Joe. Over and out.